My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called ProjectorQuantity. This is the adware from the adload family. It attacks Mac computers only these days, and it specifically targets Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. ProjectorQuantity adware, once installed, may start to display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. In case this ProjectorQuantity was somehow installed into your system, of course, you need to get rid of it from your Mac. Check your applications, locate this program and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program and start researching the computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.